Hey, everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are on Fiverr for not just voiceover, but for any other kind of freelance service, they are rolling out with a new service called subscriptions. Now, Fiverr has reached out to myself and a select other handful of sellers on Fiverr that have met certain criteria for them to pilot this new service. And it sounds like a really good service on paper. Now, this service would launch Monday, the 26th, which is yesterday, and we'll see how this goes. But basically, it enables a client to hire you on sort of like a retainer. If the client has a lot of business that they do with you month after month after month, this gives the client an easy way to hire you every month. They are subscribing to your service. And the client has the option of either 3 months or 6 months. And you're able, as a seller, to offer the client a discount for the subsequent months. So, like the first order would be full price. And then if they wanted to, say, order a 6-month subscription, the first order would be full price. And then you have the option to discount all the subsequent months within that subscription time. And you can offer a 5% discount, 10%, 15%, and I believe up to 20%, for the subsequent months of that subscription length, either 3 months or 6 months. And as a voiceover artist, I can see the value in that. Let me just mention that this pilot is only being run through 8 different categories at this time. There are dozens upon dozens of different categories within Fiverr, but this pilot is only with a select few sellers within a select number of categories, which was 8. And as a voiceover artist, I think that this would really help with some of the clients that I do business with month after month after month. If you're a video editor or podcast editor or something that type of freelancer where you have weekly orders from one client or more, what Fiverr suggests for that is for the client to order multiple subscriptions. So they would order, maybe a 3-month subscription one week, and then another one another week, and then another one another week, and then another one another week. So that way they have 4 running subscriptions for you in order to have weekly orders. So I can see how that can work. I'm not sure how this is going to go. I'm going to remain optimistic, and we'll just hope that, if there's any tweaks or anything that we can add or anything that we in the pilot program will suggest to Fiverr. So far, it sounds like they've been listening. I know a few of some of my comrades in the industry have raised their voices with a number of different concerns, but I'm pretty confident that Fiverr will make this work. They are constantly growing and advertising and marketing, and Fiverr in itself is just growing. They will be a force to be reckoned with if they're not already there. But I am optimistic again, as I said, about this service. But time will tell. As I said, it launched yesterday, Monday. So I will keep you updated as far as how things change, my opinions on this new service. As I get more updates as far as when this service will launch to the rest of the whole of Fiverr sellers, then I will be sure to share any information that I receive from Fiverr. But this in itself is exciting because Fiverr is, like I said before, continuing to grow and to offer dynamic solutions to their sellers and their buyers. And this particular service was not only asked of Fiverr by the sellers, but also by the buyers, the clients themselves, because they don't want to have to go in and find you, place an order, submit the requirements, do all of this and that, time after time after time. This way they have a running order with you month after month after month. But each of those orders, month after month after month, is counted as a singular order. So each one of those orders will be counted like a normal order. So you would submit it, the client can accept it, rate you, the whole thing, give you a tip if they wanted to. But it saves them the trouble of having to locate you, place an order. It's just kind of a running retainer, so to speak. So again, I'm excited about it. We'll see how it goes. I will be sure to keep you updated. And if you're interested or have any questions about this service, there's not a whole lot of information available right now, but as we go along, I'm sure more ideas and opinions and maybe some tweaks and, some shifts around will come up. So if you have any questions about this service, please reach out to me. As you all know, if you subscribe, I am here for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Send me an email. If you like this video, throw me a like. If you want to subscribe, I share tips and suggestions and information at least twice a week. So subscribe. I would appreciate it. And that's it for this video. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.